Hello?
Can I speak to Miss Lin?
Yeah.
Okay, hi, this is Leong here, calling from Rich Center.
Okay.
You recently signed up for an card, yes or not?
I think my husband did it for me.
Okay, because the country that you all put is Afghanistan, you know.
Yes, that's the problem. Then I think he did call the customer service to change it to Malaysia.
Our correspondents from Afghanistan got a few questions for you. Okay, Miss Aslin, you just hold on 1 second. So I just put you through to one of our correspondents, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. Just please hold.
Miss
Yes, it's me, yeah?
Hello, Miss Aslin. My name is Mr. Hussein. I'm calling from the correspondent of Afghanistan for the enriched cut.
Oh, hi. Okay, hi. Yes, Mr. Hussein, yes.
Okay, and who signed you up for your card?
Actually, it's my husband signed it for me.
Oh, you married already.
Yes, I am.
Okay. So because you signed up for and put the nationality as Afghanistan,
Okay.
would you like to come and visit Afghanistan with your card points?
Yeah, for sure. Next time, yeah.
For next time.
Yes.
Okay, but do you know how to ride a camel? Do you
Ride a camel.
ride a camel? Yes.
No.
Okay, because
Oh,
camel
no.
is main mode of transportation in Afghanistan.
Oh, I see.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. It's like riding a horse, but the horse has a big lump on its back.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. I saw camel before, yeah.
Yes. I can teach you how to ride camel. Ride camel all day long.
Riding, no, actually.
You don't like to ride?
No.
Have you tried Middle Eastern food before?
Yes.
Yeah. What have you tried? Hummus?
Huh? What's that?
Hummus.
No.
Oh, it's very good. It's very good. It's very soft. Yeah, it smells like flour.
I see. Okay. No, I never tried that one before.
Oh, okay. When you come to Afghanistan, you must just go to any store and say Inshallah hummus.
Okay.
Yes,
Alright,
yes.
sure.
Hummus even the word is very nice to say. You want to say after me? Just say hummus.
Homies. Okay.
No. Hummus.
Homies.
No. Hummus.
Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that word.
Okay,
actually.
pretend like you're choking.
Choking. Okay.
Like hummus.
Homies.
Yes. Now you're like Arab woman. Kebab. You try kebab.
Yeah. Kebab. Okay, yeah. Yeah. I
Okay.
like kebab.
You pronounce it very wrong. It's kebab.
Oh, kebab. Okay.
No, not herbab. It's kebab. It's like you scolding someone. Kebab.
I have to pronounce that one?
Yes, please. Yes.
Kebab. Is that correct?
You're very good. I'm very impressed. Malaysian know how to speak Arabic. So when you come here, you must say, I want to put your hummus in your kebab.
Okay, I want to put the homies in the kebab. Okay.
No, in your kebab.
In my kebab or your kebab?
Which kebab you want?
You're very funny. Okay.
Is it going to be my kebab or your kebab? I'm a bit confused now.
Okay.
I'm getting mixed feelings from you now. I'm confused.
That's all.
But one more thing.
Okay.
Okay, you might have to travel over to Bukit Jalil.
Bukit Jalil.
Okay, to pick up new card in 2-3 days, you go to Bukit Jalil. You meet my correspondent there. It's Arnold and RD from Hits FM Morning Crew.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Hi.
It's very funny, okay?
It's Arnold and RD and your lovely husband Hussein set you up.
Yeah, you both got the same name.
Just for fun, can you say hummus one more time?
No, I won't.
Okay, then we'll say this for you. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha!
Alright.